Alright, we are treating some low back pain again on this one, and we started out with a little bit of STIM or EMS, electrical stimulation, and put some heat on there too just to get those muscles to relax, and then we're basically just going to adjust her. That doesn't hurt, right?
No.
Okay. So might as well do it on both sides of your clit.
It's fine.
Okay. So the point of using this bolster, it's not even a real bolster, it's part of the love sack we have in here, but it just helps to take some of the pressure off of this low back and sacrum area. So anyone that has like an anterior pelvic tilt and they lay on their stomach, they'll tell you that it causes them a lot of low back pain, and it's because they're already in that overextended position. So when they lay face down, it kind of increases that pressure right there. So this kind of helps to take that pressure off of the low back. And then we threw a few cups on her low back, especially this side. Her QL, just the lumbar extensors are really tight. And then we're going to try to loosen up her glutes just a little bit too. She's a little bit sticky going in this external. Okay. Yeah, you can tell this side is really limited. More towards this way.
It hurts right there.
Yep.
And right there.
Really bad that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like going up into my, like shooting up.
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. It's part of probably a psoas issue then. And take these guys off. And let's get you adjusted. Yeah, that's sticky there, not the shoulders. So she was saying that when I was pressing on her glute that she was getting referred pain through here, so that usually indicates that it's some type of like psoas tightness. A lot of times when your hip flexors are tight, you get that low back pain. And so we'll do a little bit to that. This leg up. Hold strong, don't let push down. Pain? Feels okay? Okay, let it go. That?
Yeah.
That's okay?
Yeah.
Belly down. And then do it like you're doing a extension, leg extension. Okay, go back down. Come back up. Go back down. It's pretty painful, huh? Okay, one more. Oh yeah. That's the worst, huh? You just need to have these worked out a little bit. On the side. On this side. Okay. Little tight in the neck. That side moves so much better. Really gives such better range of motion on that side. Goes away. Today. Don't let it push down. Any pain?
No.
Come out like that. Yep. Come more this way. Don't let it push down. Okay, and then let me feel. pain there?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Yeah, I think you just have a little
What's that?
soreness. You got a little bit of a trigger point right there in your... And forward, perfect.
Perfect. Woo! Thank you.
You're welcome, buddy. Stand up. See how it feels. Get your eggs.
Yeah, it feels good. Bye.
Feels good?